Hi, I'm Rory from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a hose assembly on a Dyson DC04. Now these hoses can quite often become cracked or split, and if they do it will result in a loss of suction. Now these really are so easy to replace. It will take me about 30 seconds, and all I need to do is remove the wand and here you can see the old hose assembly. It simply clicks out like that. Put that here. Here's your new assembly. Chuck it in. There you go. Hose replaced. Thanks for watching.